Yo, what's up everyone, it's SRS, and we're back with another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI side hustles. You've probably heard all the buzz about AI, and for good reason. By 2025, AI is projected to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry, and that means massive opportunity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a freelancer, or just looking for ways to level up your income, AI side hustles have something for everyone. We're talking about everything from building AI-powered chatbots to training machine learning models, all from the comfort of, well, wherever you want to work from. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of AI and potentially add some serious digits to your bank account, then stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with AI-driven chatbots. These digital assistants are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Now, we've all interacted with chatbots at some point, whether it's on a website or through a messaging app. They pop up, ready to assist with our queries, guiding us through processes, or even helping us make purchases. But these aren't the clunky, frustrating bots of the past. Remember those early chatbots that could barely understand simple questions? Those days are long gone. We're talking about sophisticated AI-powered chatbots that can understand and respond to customer inquiries in a way that feels shockingly human. Think about it. These chatbots use advanced natural language processing to interpret and respond to a wide range of questions and commands. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve customer service while also keeping costs down. It's a delicate balance, but AI chatbots are making it easier to achieve. AI chatbots offer the perfect solution. They provide instant responses, reduce wait times, and can handle multiple inquiries at once, ensuring that no customer is left waiting. They can handle a massive volume of inquiries simultaneously, 24/7, without ever needing a coffee break. And the best part? They can be customized to fit the specific needs of any business. You can build and sell these chatbots as a service. Imagine the potential for creating a business around developing and maintaining these AI assistants. Platforms like Dialogflow and BotPress make it easier than ever to create custom chatbots without needing a degree in computer science. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful tools to bring your chatbot ideas to life. You can specialize in a specific industry, like e-commerce or healthcare, and tailor your chatbot solutions to their unique needs. Each industry has its own set of challenges and requirements, and a well-designed chatbot can address these effectively. Plus, with businesses projected to save billions annually by using chatbots, you can bet there's a huge demand for talented chatbot creators. The market is ripe for innovation, and those who can deliver effective, reliable chatbot solutions will find plenty of opportunities. Now, if you're more technically inclined and love the idea of teaching machines to think, then freelance AI model training might be your calling. Imagine diving into the intricate world of algorithms and neural networks, where you get to shape the future of technology. This side hustle is all about diving deep into the world of machine learning and creating the brains behind those AI-powered applications. It's a field where curiosity meets innovation, and every project is a new challenge. We're talking about training models for natural language processing, image recognition, data analysis, and so much more. Each of these areas has its own unique set of challenges and rewards, making the work both diverse and exciting. Platforms like TensorFlow and PyTorch have made it more accessible than ever to get started with machine learning. These tools provide the building blocks you need to create sophisticated models without needing a PhD in computer science. And trust me, the demand for skilled AI trainers is skyrocketing. Companies are constantly on the lookout for experts who can help them harness the power of AI to gain a competitive edge. Businesses across every industry are looking for ways to leverage AI, from healthcare to finance to retail and beyond. The applications are virtually limitless, and so are the opportunities for skilled AI professionals. And they need talented individuals to build the models that power these applications. Whether it's improving customer service with chatbots or optimizing supply chains, the impact of your work can be profound. As a freelance AI model trainer, you could find yourself working on projects ranging from developing sentiment analysis algorithms for social media monitoring, to creating recommendation systems for e-commerce platforms, to building predictive models for financial forecasting. These models can help businesses make better decisions by providing insights into future trends and potential risks. The best part? You can set your own rates and work on projects that genuinely excite you. This flexibility allows you to balance your work with other commitments and pursue your passions. With hourly rates for freelance AI model trainers, often exceeding $100, this side hustle has the potential to be seriously lucrative. Imagine earning a substantial income while working on cutting-edge technology from the comfort of your home. Plus, there are countless resources available to help you get started, from online courses to vibrant communities of AI enthusiasts. So, if you're ready to take the plunge into the world of AI, there's never been a better time. Embrace the challenge, and you might just find yourself at the forefront of the next technological revolution. Chapter 3. AI Consulting Services, Guiding Businesses into the Future. But hey, maybe you're more of a big-picture thinker, someone who loves to strategize and help businesses navigate complex challenges. You thrive on solving problems and envisioning the future. If that sounds like you, then offering AI consulting services could be the perfect fit. Imagine being the go-to expert who helps companies harness the power of artificial intelligence to drive innovation and efficiency. Think about it. AI is rapidly changing the business landscape. From automating routine tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate. Companies are trying to figure out how to integrate AI into their operations, but many don't know where to start. They are often overwhelmed by the sheer complexity and potential of AI technologies. That's where you come in. As an AI consultant, you can demystify AI for these companies, breaking down complex concepts into actionable strategies. As an AI consultant, you'll act as a trusted advisor, guiding businesses through the entire process of AI adoption. You'll be there from the initial stages of understanding their needs to the final implementation of AI solutions. This could involve anything from conducting AI readiness assessments to developing AI strategies, identifying use cases, and even training their staff to work with new AI tools, and even helping them implement and manage AI solutions. Your role is crucial in ensuring that the AI systems are not only implemented correctly, but also maintained and optimized over time. You'll be the one bridging the gap between technology and business, helping companies unlock the full potential of AI. Your expertise will enable them to stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. And with hourly rates for AI consultants often reaching $300 or more, this side hustle can be incredibly rewarding both intellectually and financially. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your clients succeed and knowing you played a pivotal role in their transformation. Chapter 4. Investing in AI Tools, Riding the Wave of Innovation. Now maybe you're thinking, SRS, I'm not a developer or a consultant. Is there an AI side hustle for someone like me? Absolutely. Investing in AI tools is a fantastic way to get in on the action without needing to code or consult. The AI tools market is booming, with projections estimating a massive 25% growth by 2028. This means there's a huge opportunity to invest in companies developing cutting-edge AI technologies. We're talking about machine learning platforms, data analytics software, natural language processing tools, and so much more. You can invest directly in AI companies through the stock market or explore specialized AI investment funds. The key here is to do your research, identify promising companies and trends, and invest wisely. Remember, investing always involves risk, but with the AI market poised for explosive growth, the potential rewards could be significant. Chapter 5. AI Content Creation, Your Digital Content Studio. Finally, let's talk about AI content creation. Content is king in the digital world, and businesses are constantly looking for ways to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. That's where AI comes in. AI-powered content creation tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of generating everything from blog posts and social media captions to video scripts and even music. As an AI content creator, you can leverage these tools to offer a wide range of services to businesses. You could specialize in creating written content like website copy or articles, or focus on generating video content like explainer videos or product demos. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai are great examples of AI content creation tools that are readily available. And with the demand for content creation showing no signs of slowing down, this side hustle has the potential to be both creatively fulfilling and financially rewarding. Outrow level up your hustle with AI. So there you have it, 5 AI side hustles that could transform your 2025. Whether you're passionate about building intelligent chatbots, training powerful AI models, guiding businesses through AI adoption, investing in the future of AI, or unleashing your creativity with AI-powered content creation, there's an opportunity out there for you. The key is to find a side hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Remember, the world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment. Who knows, you might just discover your next big thing in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.